Right, Tilly, let's have you on this side, please, and Rory over there.
It's Monday morning and Fiona Brockhurst is back doing what she loves, teaching the French horn at Salisbury Cathedral School.
3, 4.
She's a self-confessed Southern Cathedrals Festival superfan, and music has always been a big part of Fiona's life.
We were offered the chance to learn an orchestral instrument at the grammar school I went to, and I said, please can I learn the flute? And they said, don't be ridiculous, 300 girls already play the flute, choose something else. And I thought, I'll learn the French horn, and I just couldn't stop.
At first, her mum and dad weren't too impressed.
My parents came in and said, is there a cow dying in this room? And in fact, I use a cow horn when I'm demonstrating. These were the earliest brass instruments, and it's a brass instrument because of how you use your lips. So if I just buzz my lips and go.
Thankfully, Fiona improved quickly.
Tune that last chord because it's bare again, isn't it?
Now she teaches children like Rory and Tilly. Tilly took online lessons with Fiona during lockdown, but she says it just wasn't the same.
I found it quite hard. I did quite a bit of practice. And then I had my weekly lesson with Mrs. Brockhurst. And when I came back, the first day I came back, just felt a bit more normal than it did.
Rory kept lockdown morale up by starting a tradition of telling bad jokes.
What's brown and sticky?
I don't know, what's brown and sticky?
A stick.
I can't say enough how brilliant the children have been learning online, but we're so relieved to be back and teaching face-to-face.
And away from the online sessions, Fiona found time to compose a tune for her third grandchild, born during lockdown.
I was just doodling away on my horn one day and I wrote this lullaby in my head. So this is Lullaby for Embla. I find it very difficult to separate music making and faith or spiritual feelings, and I can't imagine my life without it.
Fiona is delighted that the Southern Cathedrals Festival is back this year. She's been a regular since the 1990s.
I love the SCF. One of my happiest jobs has been to accompany the big concert at the end of the SCF week. To be able to join my horn playing to an orchestra to accompany all the choirs with all my pupils and friends singing in it is heavenly. The SCF. It's like a huge party of religious music. You get up, have breakfast early, rush off to the first service or the first lecture, and then rush from one thing to another. And every concert, every service feels like a huge celebration, and it's so joyful. It's just wonderful.